In this session, we are going to study about LED, photodiode, and solar cell. Light emitting diode or LED is a heavily doped p-n junction of suitable material that emit light when it is forward biased. When forward biased, the charge carriers are injected into the depletion region. And inside the depletion region, electron-hole recombination takes place. And due to this recombination, we get light. Light produced by an LED is incoherent. Incoherent means they will be moving in the random direction. And a commonly used material for making LED is gallium arsenide, gallium phosphide, etc. Photodiode. A photodiode converts light into electrical energy. It always operates under reverse bias. When light falls on the depletion region of the photodiode, it creates electron-hole pair. And this electron-hole pair gets separated within the depletion region, and a biasing potential swipes the charge carriers to the respective electrode, producing a current. And we use photodiode in optical fiber communication system to convert light into electrical signals. Solar cell. A solar cell converts light into electrical energy by photovoltaic effect. Solar cell consists of a silicon p-n junction diode with p layer thicker than n layer. Why p layer is thicker than n layer? Because electron mobility is greater than hole mobility. To prevent the loss of light due to reflection, there is an anti-reflecting coating. And this is a figure of a solar cell with N and P region, P thicker than N, and on top of it we have an anti-reflection coating. When light falls on a solar cell, three things happen: absorption, separation, and extraction. And this is a symbolic representation of a solar cell. A solar cell converts light into electricity by photovoltaic effect. Three things happen when light falls on a solar cell: absorption, generation, and extraction. Light that fall on the junction get absorbed, generating electron-hole pair. And this electron-hole pair get separated within the depletion region. And the internal bias drive this separated charge carriers to the external circuit, producing a current in the circuit. Comparison between three p-n junction. First, solar cell operates on internal bias, converts light into voltage. Photodiode operates on reverse bias, converts light to voltage. LED operates on forward bias, converts voltage to light. And the light coming out of the LED will be incoherent.